Look at the question. 3 minus 3 will be equal to 0. Times 12 divided by 6 will be equal to 2. So 0 times 2 will be equal to 0. But it is not correct. So I will solve it again. First of all, parentheses should be solved, which is equal to 2. Now 3 minus 3 as it is. And here is no sign, so we have to put multiplication. Now don't do this. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Times 2 will be equal to 0, which is wrong. So first of all, we have to multiply according to PEMDAS rule. So 3 minus 6 and 3 minus 6 will be equal to minus 3, which is our answer. Thank you for watching and subscribing my YouTube channel. Bye.